Summer T-shirt customization boom. How to choose the right printer between 3 T-shirt printers. This guide has you covered. As temperatures rise, T-shirt customization demand surges. Whether for trendy designs, corporate events, or personal creativity, choosing the right printer is critical. Funsun's 3 types of T-shirt printers each have their own unique features. Double head DT printer, DTG and DTF 2-in-1 printer, and DTF printer. What exactly are the differences between them? Which one is more suitable for you? This article will provide an analysis to help you make a decision easily. 1 double head DTG printer. The Cotton Expert. Breathability first. Key features. Directly prints on cotton fabrics, including dark colors, with ink-penetrating fibers for lightweight. Breathable results ideal for large area designs. No transfer film needed. Print directly onto garments, meeting over 70% of cotton t-shirt customization needs. Limitations and cost. Exclusive to cotton. Cannot print on blends, polyester, or other materials. Higher price. $6,000 United States dollars. Best for businesses focused on premium cotton products. If you mainly promote high-quality pure cotton t-shirts, pursue breathability and comfort, have a large daily output, and require high stability, then we recommend this machine. 2 DTG and DTF 2-in-1 printer. Versatile, but less efficient. Key features. Dual modes. DTG mode. Prints directly on white, light-colored cotton. DTF mode. Transfers designs to any fabric color via film. The process is also simple. Place the DTF film on the printer platform. Import the required pattern into the printing software, and then directly print it on the DTF film. Manually sprinkle powder on the DTF pattern. Then, shake off the excess powder on the film. Put the printed film into the oven and melt the powder on the film at a high temperature. Take out the film, place it on the clothes, and press it at 150 degrees Celsius for 10 seconds. Finally, tear off the film, and the pattern will be transferred onto the clothes. This machine has a lower printing cost and is suitable for small batch customization. It is flexible in operation and can meet both simple direct printing and transfer needs. Limitations and challenges. DTG limited to light cotton. Dark fabrics require DTF. Manual steps. Powder, baking, slow down production. Price, $3,000 United States dollars. If you have a limited budget, need to take into account light-colored cotton t-shirts and a small amount of other fabrics, and can accept manual operation with flexible and changeable needs, then we recommend this machine. 3 DTF printer. All-in-one transfer, speed ahead. Key features. It can handle any fabric. Cotton, polyester, denim, canvas bags. There is no need to worry about material limitations. The transfer process is very simple. The DTF printer prints the pattern onto a special film. The machine automatically sprinkles powder and shakes off the excess powder, and then dries it automatically. We cut out the pattern, place it on the clothes, press it with a heat press at 150 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 seconds, and tear off the film after the clothes cool down to complete the transfer. Automatic powder shaking and drying double the efficiency, eliminating the need for manual operation. The printed colors are more vivid, and the cost is as low as 20 cents per print, supporting large-scale orders. Limitations and challenges. Film layer reduces breathability, less ideal for summer wear. Slightly inferior cotton feel compared to DTG. Price, $3,000 United States dollars. If you need to customize clothing of various materials, such as jerseys, sweaters, canvas bags, etc., pursue high cost-effectiveness and efficiency, and have a large number of orders that require quick delivery, then we recommend this machine. Buying guide. Match your needs. 1. If you pursue ultimate comfort and quality, choose the dual-head DTG, a must for pure cotton lovers. 2. If you want to take into account light-colored cotton t-shirts and have the flexibility to try different things, choose the DTG and DTF 2-in-1 printer with budget as a priority. 3. If you can handle any fabric and any color, choose the fully automatic DTF printer. Efficiency is the key. Now do you understand our machines? Among these 3 types of t-shirt printers, which one do you like the most?